Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an oatmeal and honey face mask. Mix 2 tablespoon oats with 1 tablespoon honey and a splash of warm water until a smooth paste forms. Apply gently to clean skin, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 10-15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water while massaging in small circular motions. Pat dry and follow with moisturizer for best results. In this video, I will explain what ingredients we need and why. Measure 2 tablespoon rolled oats and 1 tablespoon raw honey, then add a splash of warm water to bind. Consider 1 tsp yogurt for extra moisture or 1 drop tea tree oil if you have blemishes. Keep ingredients simple to avoid irritation and always patch test on the inner wrist before applying to your face. In this video, I will review a quick product recommendation to keep you refreshed while you pamper your skin. Quick recommendation. The Oatmeal water bottle is great for staying hydrated during your skincare routine and on the go, with a handy design and leak-proof lid that makes it easy to sip between steps. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you apply the mask for best results. Start with a clean face and apply a thin, even layer avoiding eyes and lips. Relax for 10-15 minutes while the oats soothe and honey hydrates. Rinse using lukewarm water and gentle circular motions to exfoliate lightly. Pat skin dry and follow with your favorite moisturizer, and repeat this treatment 1-2 times per week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.